How we all doing? So, I'm already after talking about this, but I forgot to press play. So you missed me taking all the cling film off it, but not to worry. All I said was this is a Bosch Valiant. It's a Bosch TV161, Irish made set. And I got this out with Skip a few years ago. It's being wet at some stage, the cabinet's quite rough. The problem with these is if they get wet at all, the chipboard, they go into shite. So I'm afraid this one's being wet on the top there. You can see it's blowing out a bit. But when I got it, I think I powered it up and I got a raster on it, but I never did much more with it. So we'll see what I can do. As you can see, it's all up and down and lumpy. And there's not really much you can do with them. You can try and plane them down or sand them down level, but the veneer is so thin on them. If you go down into the chipboard, well, it's game over, you know. I don't do much in the way of cabinet work anyway. I like the lived in look. That's because I'm lazy. But yeah, it is what it is. It's nothing too special. But if we can make our sing anyway. I believe Irish production carried on a little bit longer than over in the UK, and a couple of people in the UK who are running TV shops told me that if they wanted these, they had to order them from Ireland on a special order. So I think these carried on till about 73. Probably the last dual standard sets made anywhere. Now I wonder is the line output transformer in this. I don't think it is. I think I took it out to let it dry. Did I? I did. It's not there, and neither is the bloody screw to hold it in. Or the fuse. I wonder, did I have it going? Maybe I didn't have this one going at all. I can't remember now. Because I have a few of these in the collection. I think I've got 3 or 4. A few anyway, so I lose track. Too many bloody televisions. Anyway, let's see if we can. I have a line output transformer here. That's one there. So we'll pause the video here. I'll go and look for the fuse and EHT valve, and we'll see what happens then. Okay, so same as with the last set, which by the way is sulking in the corner, wrapped up in the scarf of shame. Less said about it, the better. AC input, BHT, or one of the HTs. Doesn't matter, just so we know what's going on. I think this set's had a hard life. It denotes VHF, UHF on the front. You can see the top 3 and the bottom 3 buttons there, showing our buttons. Top 3 UHF, bottom 3 VHF. However, I think she has a VHF only tuner in her. We're missing a bit of a box here. And this is being disconnected. I have the lever here on the bottom. This is obviously, I left that in there obviously the last time it was in here. Anywho, that's the crack. So we'll go for our slow wind up. Not too slow, but just want to give the electrolytics a chance here. They're on a diode straight off the main, so they get a good twonk till the valve heaters come up and they start conducting. So generally the EHT gets fairly high before the valves start conducting. Anyway, we'll go for gold. So we'll see what she does. Two volts. It's getting serious. Alright. Nice and easy with it. You don't have to hang around all day, but just Andrew, yeah, you commented in the video on the Philips. You know, the best thing about looking at the meters is you're waiting for something to go bang. It's my favourite part. It's my favourite part. I should rig up a few more meters and measure the current going in and the current coming out. And, I'm losing a run of myself. For about 110 or so input. There's no squidginess in a solid state diode rectifier that you get in the valve rectifier. It's a low impedance source, so if the tap goes short or something, we'll see something drastic happen pretty quick. And the valve heaters will probably start doing something about now. We're at about 180 AC. And when they start conducting, we should see our HT drop down again a little bit. You can see a few heaters lighting up now. So we'll leave it around there. That's around 220, 225. In or around that mark. Come on. The standard selector was stuck halfway between. Oh, you sort of should have checked that. And we have a raster of sorts. There we go. Alright, let's try and tune something into it. I don't know. Let's okay, I'm going to pause it here and try and tune something in on it because this is going to get real boring real quick. Okay, so I spent a few minutes fluting around trying to get a 625 line picture on it and it just wasn't working out for me, so I went 405 and this is what we've got. That's as good as she's going to get tonight, and I'm going to leave it at that because of other things to do here. But we'll come back to this tomorrow. I'd say there's quite a few R's and C's around the line oscillator stage need to be attended to get the line speed right, and then we'll look at the 625 line problem. But this one looks like a goer anyway. There's a fairly bright looking tube in her. So there we are. We'll leave it at that, folks, and hopefully we'll have more success with this one. Take care for now and all the best.